No, when the spiritual master is personally present. Like say the spiritual master says that you should chant say he says you should go to bed at 10 o'clock and get up in the morning at 4. But spiritual master is arriving just at the time of Mangal Arati. So if you go to Mangal Arati and don't greet your spiritual master, you're considered to be an offender. Because there's a higher principle is that the spiritual master, when he's there, he should be received. He should be, unless he says no. But the idea is that, of course, when the spiritual master is there, there's some special. But the point is that when he's not present, so that sometimes devotees complain that those who are serving personally the spiritual master is very difficult. Because he may demand anything, anytime. He may require in his service to Krishna. So this sometimes becomes very difficult. Time schedule becomes off, so many different things. It becomes difficult to do many things. But this is a higher principle, is to serve directly. The point is that, say that one is not directly serving the spiritual master, but he has given an instruction. Then by following that instruction, he can feel the presence of the spiritual master. So, on the other hand, when one is serving the spiritual master personally, in his presence, then it's also very easy. If he tells you, go and get me this, immediately you can understand that I should go and get this. Apart from the austerity of maybe his schedule be more rigorous than ordinary devotees. But one can easily follow such an instruction because he's just saying, all right, stand up, sit down, go here, come there, like this. It's very concrete. But when spiritual master is not present, and he has given order, don't do this, don't do that, do this, then the tendency, well, he is not watching. You see. That now we have to follow according to our faith, according to our love for him. While the other time, even our faith or love may not have been so strong because he's just there, standing. So it's easy for us to follow on that sense. So that's why it said that following the order is sometimes a greater test. And when one is actually following the order of the spiritual master, he can feel his presence.